I got some big plans for my Defender this year. One of them is changing these mirror arms and hinges as well. I've decided to go with Optimill hinges. I've got the Optimill mirror arms with the puddle lights in, and I've also got the wiring kit. I've also bought new clips as well. Run the cable through to the AS10 system on these Defenders for the puddle lights to work on. And once I've used the zapper to either central lock or open the vehicle, then the lights will shine down from here, because the hinges that they sell are geared up towards the arms to run the cable through. So what I didn't want to do is sort of drill these door hinges and then obviously not drill them correctly. Obviously their stuff then is all tried and tested, it's all been drilled properly in the right way for the wiring to work. So yeah, they'll be the next things that I'll be fitting. So hopefully I'll do a video on that, post something on my Instagram. Yeah, I just can't wait. And for once I'm not wearing a hat. It's still a bit nippy, but there we are. And I think I might invest in a DJI clip-on mic. I don't know if he's got one of them, but they think they're any good or not. And yeah, it's not a lot to say really. Oh, and hopefully get rid of this double chin as well. Just started a new job, so I'm a bit more sort of outside than inside a machine. So hopefully I get a bit of excess weight off me and look a bit trimmer for the summer maybe. Who knows? Right, that's it. What else can I say?